14th chapter, the World War, the World Between Wars, 1900 to 1950, part 2. Discussed yesterday some topics. First topic, the Russian Socialist Revolution. The Russian Socialist Revolution topic completed. Second topic, rise of Stalin. This topic also completed. Third topic, the Great Depression. Last class, the Great Depression importance also completed. Today, new topic in the World Between Wars chapter, the rise of Nazism in Germany. Especially here, the Great Depression. After topic, rise of Nazism in Germany. Germany, it is a European country. Here, Germany, one of the leader and rise in Germany. The leader named Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler followed the Nazism. I mean party name Nazi Party. Nazi Party leader Hitler. Nazi Party's principles, Nazi Party theories is also Nazism. Nazism main principles one by one discuss. First, the autocratic rule. I mean it is dictator rule. Nazism or Nazi party, Hitler followed some rules, some principles. First principle, the dictatorship qualities. Second, racial supremacy ideas. I mean, the Hitler ruled over the world. Here, all countries is completely controlled by Hitler, and German race or German Aryan race became a super power race in the world. The idea of the Hitler ideas unquestioned power. Hitler, the important leader in Germany. Second World War, already First World War, Second World War, 13th chapter discussed. Second World War have main important reason or main important person, the Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler main role playing Second World War. Immediate causes may have Hitler policies. Okay, Hitler 1928 Hitler only got votes 2.6 votes. German parliament name Reichstag. Reichstag is a German parliament name. Suppose American parliament name Congress or Indian parliament. Russia parliament name Duma. Japan parliament name DI. Same German parliament name Reichstag. In Reichstag only Hitler party, Nazi party got votes only 2.6 votes in 1928. After 1932, the votes rise 37%. The votes rise. I mean Hitler became a leader or Hitler became a ruler of Germany. Got votes percent 36 to 37%. The Hitler votes also rise, only expand 4 years, approximately 35% votes rise in 35% votes rise in only expand 4 years. Hitler became a ruler. Hitler became a chancellor ruler. Hitler followed some policies there. Especially the period 1929 to 1939 period, the Great Depression period, the ruling by Hitler, German ruler Hitler during the Great Depression time. The same Great Depression time also Germany escaped the Great Depression. Why? The Hitler policies is completely implemented in Germany, and Hitler policies is the great boon of the Germany. Economical crisis, industrial, agriculture, all categories, all sectors is completely maintained or strong or reconstructed by Hitler. Hitler, the great speaker. Hitler, the great spokesman. Hitler speeches, so many people attracted. The speech also very passionate. The speech is completely encouraged the German racism, German Aryan racism. So many important principles of Hitler's speech. Hitler's speech, lakhs of people, German people attracted Hitler. So many people joined the Nazi party. Nazi party became a became a power. Hitler have power, one by one policies also implemented in Germany. First, Hitler followed the aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism means the support the have nation, same nation, interest of the nation. At the same time, against or aggressive the other nations. Other nation peoples also is completely controlled by Germans. Germany is a supreme power of the world. The ideology by Hitler. Hitler policies main important unquestioned power followed by the Hitler. Hitler some principles there. One of the main Second World War triggered principle. Triggered reason main immediately caused Hitler policies. Second World War main caused by Hitler policies. One of the policy aggressive nationalism. Racial supremacy. Hitler support the German race, especially German Aryan race. At the same time, Hitler against the Hitler avoid the German Jews, German Gypsies, German Polish peoples. The Hitler followed the Holocaust. Holocaust means so many lakhs people, crores people killing by Nazis. Killing by Nazi party, Hitler. The killing stations, killing places is also called Holocaust. Approximately 6 crores people murdered by Hitler, especially Jews, German Jews. German Jews is the important. Hitler faced the German Jews is very negative. Very aggressive. Why German Jews economical policies main important of the German economical depression main cause of Jews policies there. Adolf Hitler ideas, Adolf Hitler imagination is the German Jews is very aggressive nationalism followed the Hitler. Hitler theories during the Great Depression time, Hitler escaped the escape of the Great Depression of Germany. Hitler Second World War immediately caused 1939 September 1st. September 1st, Hitler attacked the Poland. Poland attacked by Hitler. Poland is the neighbor country of Germany. I mean eastern country. German eastern country, Poland. Poland is completely controlled or attacked by the Hitler. Main trigger, main immediate cause, Second World War cause, the Poland occupied by the Hitler. Immediate cause. Triggered cause 1913 September 1st. Why the Hitler policy is very negative, is very supremacy, is very autocracy, is very dictatorship qualities. Hitler policies is completely negative. I mean negative against the other nations, against other races, racial supremacies. And Hitler so many programs also launched in Germany. Other parties, other races is completely suppressed by Hitler. Suppose example Jews, lakhs crores people suppressed or harassed by the Nazi party or Hitler party. The is called Holocaust. Okay, especially here Jews, Gypsies, other Polishans, some other non-German Aryans, non-German Aryans, only German Aryans supported by the Hitler. Okay, other races, other nations also completely avoid the Hitler. Aggressive the Hitler is called aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism is the main important cause of First World War and Second World War also. The Hitler, full name Adolf Hitler. Hitler is the important leader of Germany. Hitler policies, economical policies. Hitler followed the economical policies, especially Hitler against the socialism, I mean communism. And same Hitler against the democracy also. Democracy ideas, socialist ideas is completely avoided by the Hitler. Why? The ideas is completely against of the Nazism, Nazi party. Some countries, suppose Hitler group name Axis group. The world divided two groups take. Two groups name Axis group and Allies group. Allies and Axis. Axis group led by Germany. Allies group led by England. I mean, Axis group leader Germany, I mean Hitler. Hitler is the main leader of the Second World War, especially Axis leader, Axis group leader. The Axis group is completely main countries, so Germany, Italy, and Japan. Three countries, especially here Germany and Italy, is followed the fascism, Nazism, unquestioned power, dictator power, racial supremacy ideas, the against the democracy, against the socialist ideas, is completely racial supremacy followed the three countries. The three countries, main countries of Axis group. And Allies group mainly led by England, France, USA, Russia, etc. These countries have Allied groups or Allies groups. Two groups is important groups in Second World War. The world divided two groups. Okay, the Adolf Hitler, so many economical reforms, so many development programs launched in Germany. Some programs, development programs, welfare programs, and so many active programs also implemented by Hitler in Germany. Especially here, the Nazi party became a power. The power is completely the unquestioned power followed by the Hitler. Hitler 1930 to 1945 time, so many laws also implemented by the Hitler. So many laws. The dictator power also implemented in Reichstag. The so many laws implemented support of the Hitler. The Reichstag is completely controlled by Hitler. Reichstag is the parliament. It is a parliament. The parliament is completely controlled by the Hitler. Here the lesson fourth topic, first topic Russian Socialist Revolution, second topic rise of Stalin, third topic the Great Depression, fourth topic the rise of Nazism in Germany. German policies, Hitler policies, very important human against policies. Humanism policies not there. Why the human ideas, humanism is not followed by the Hitler. There is no humanism, only racism, only dictatorship, only autocracy rule, only unquestioned power. The policies, the important followed by the Hitler. Second World War, main immediate cause Hitler occupied Poland country 1939 to 39 September 1st. After 1939 to 1945, the period, the Second World War period, 1939 to 1945, Second World War period. The period 1939 to 1942, the upper hand during the Second World War, upper hand the mainly Axis group. I mean, that defeated so many countries. Even Japan also is completely controlled of South Asia. I mean, Asian continent is completely controlled by Japan. So many countries is annexed by Axis group. I mean, 1942, 39 to 42, that became the upper hand of the Axis group. After 42, so many countries, USA, USSR, main important countries join in Second World War. Why the America joined the Second World War? Main important cause Japan attacked Pearl Harbor of USA. In USA, Pearl Harbor is the main important port city, and so many war weapons and war heads of the have in Pearl Harbor. Suddenly attacked by the Japan after the America is completely attacked of Japan. Especially 1945, August 6th, first in the world, the America dropped nuclear bomb. I mean atom bomb. First dropped atom bomb in August 6th, 1945. First city, Hiroshima city. Hiroshima city in Japan country. Immediately after 2 days, I mean 3 days after August 9th, another city, Nagasaki. Nagasaki city also Japan city. Two cities is completely affected by the atom bomb and nuclear bombs. Lakhs of people died. So many thousands of people injured. The completely smashed. Japan cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities is completely smashed, destroyed by America. Why? The America joined the Second World War. And Russia. Russia is the important. Hitler the defeated main important cause Russia. USSR also joined the Second World War. USSR joined Second World War, support of the Allied groups. Allied group, USSR army is completely moved on Berlin city. Berlin means Germany capital, Berlin. So many tanks, so many weapons moved in Berlin. Hitler is completely defeated by the USSR or Allied groups. Ultimately, 1945, the Second World War is completely ended. The Berlin, the controlled by, I mean Germany is completely controlled by Allied groups. German is completely Allied group. The Axis power is completely weakened. Completely weakened, I mean defeated by Allied groups. So Russia and USA join in Second World War. The automatically the Hitler power also weakened, downfall there. Automatically the Second World War is completely ended in 1945. The Germany divided two parts. After 45, I mean Second World War, the Germany divided two parts. East Germany and West Germany. East Germany is completely controlled by Russia, I mean USSR. West Germany is completely controlled by USA. Russia and USA, I mean United States of America, I mean the two parts, I mean Germany divided two parts after Second World War. One of the part, Eastern Germany completely occupied or controlled by Russia. West Germany is completely controlled by USA. Automatically, the Second World War, crores people, 6 crores people above, approximately 10 crores people die in Second World War time. Main cause Hitler policies, Hitler things, Hitler ideas. Hitler ideas is the main important ideas of the Second World War causes. Automatically, German Nazism is completely collapsed, destroyed, closed. Next, after Second World War, Germany is especially the Second World War after America and Russia became a superpower countries. After Second World War, one of the World Peace Organization, UNO, United Nations Organization, established in New York, headquarters New York City. The world peace, maintain the world peace. Okay, the rise of Nazism, Germany, Hitler policies, main Hitler policies is important of the Second War, causes of the Second World War. Okay, these topics completed and 14 chapter also completed. Okay.